Today it's Monday, January 6, 2025, and this is a BWA from the Golf. Today I received the voltage regulator for the alternator, and I put it on, I mount it together and I install it. I put the belt looks fine, it's been torqued down, I remove also the pin from the tensioner, and it looks fine. Then finally I receive the remaining hoses, pipes, hoses, and I receive also the plug here. It was about time. Alright, let's continue today. And I have received some steel pipes like this one. I have received also this for the heater core, that this is supposed to be this one. Has a good nice insulation, and I have received also the connectors. This is what in hell I have received here. This is the lower one and this is the upper one probably. No, this is yes because it has this one. So, and this, I'm the one who put this one probably. That's why, because the new one, it's not coming with that. We have the T connector that previously I used I didn't have from the BWA, this from the CDL. Yep, alright. Fine. Alright, but what's missing now here? I'll tell you what's missing. Where is this connector? This connector corresponding to this one. Dang it. This is not this for the upper. Remember that I said upper and lower, and what they sent me? They sent me both upper. What in hell is wrong with them? This is the... What's the cuts here? What's the cuts here? I didn't order. I ordered the lower one, and I said that's why they sent me also this o-ring. Where is it? Where it went? This o-ring. This o-ring, together with the lower radiator hose that I ordered, because I want to change this piece here. All right. And I have 1, 2, and I have another one here. 3. I don't get it. This looks like this. Looks like goes there. No, it's not matching. Okay, alright, okay. I have no clue what they sent me. And I need the lower radiator hose, and I ordered the lower radiator hose. I'm sure about it. Why they're sending to me whatever they have? Why? It doesn't make any sense. Alright, let me put what I have and let's see what's remaining. Oh boy. First thing first, let's clear a little bit the thing. Here it's the plug I put back in place. The camshaft bolt here, the gear, it's been torqued down. Alright, let's put the cover. The cover, most probably I'm gonna remove it again because the old one has this. I have this insert with the threads, the threaded insert. I might make a bracket and not to be on this plastic. So don't push it, like I said before, don't push it and touching the cam gear on the cover. Talking about this one. Alright, let's put it on. That's how it looks like. It looks much better than before. Okay, in place. And I already put also the plug for the cam position sensor for the intake, and had one bracket from here and one bracket from this side, from this bolt that comes here up. And this, it has to be, if you push it full inside, you're gonna touch, but if it's staying there, it's fine. It's aligning down here, yes. Okay, we're gonna see about that, because like I said, there are the threaded insert that comes here. I'm gonna see how I'm gonna do it. I don't want to apply any pressure on the plastic cover. I want to see it's nice and straight to don't have any contact. Alright, let's move on with the headache now. The only thing what's bothering me, it's this fitting till here. I changed this, I have changed this pipe, I have changed this pipe. Alright, I have changed a couple of pipes, I have changed also this one. Let me show you. Makes sense why I want to change it. For peace of mind. Yeah, it's okay. Where is the, yeah. Okay. No, there are two parts. Two parts. One is the low radiator hose, and the O-ring I changed it. Did I show you the O-ring? I throw it there inside. Oh boy. I have changed the O-ring for the temperature sensor. I've changed the O-ring, but I would like to change also this till here. This is new, this is new, everything is fine, this is new. Here back for the heater core, it's new, but this is an old one. The pipe is new, and I loop it, okay. The upper one, it's new, the lower one, the pipe is new, but the fitting, it's the old fitting. I have no clue why. The rest pipes I'm gonna give to the guys outside. I mean, there's a possibility to be this here. Okay, to don't confuse them, I'm gonna put this pipe to give to the customer back, and to use, let us say, this pipe, the guys. And this one, what's the cuts here? What's the cuts here? Second one. I don't get it. Alright, let me throw out the parts. I put also the cover back in place. I massage a little bit the brackets here, so when I'm bolt down the 30 Torx here, it didn't get pulled inwards or outwards. It stay in place. That's nice. We're gonna see what's passing on top here. Like I said, what there was mounting here, I'm gonna find out later. For now, we're gonna stay like that. Now, I'm gonna give it to the guys. We need to put the dual mass flywheel and need to torque down the damper pulley. Yep. Yes, that's the order. That's the priority. Fine. That's it for now. So most probably we're gonna hear the first start, I guess, I think. Yeah. The pipe for the external wastegate, they need to be separate. So they're gonna remove this piece here. They will gonna put a 90 degrees probably, and they will gonna continue straight pipe to be separated than the down pipe. And the down pipe is gonna be blocked. Now the oxygen sensor most probably gonna come at this point. We're gonna see. And that's it. Let me throw it out, give it to the guys, and we're gonna see it installed in the car next video. Alright. I remember choosing the parts through the illustration on the computer, but this pisses me off now. Imagine, let us say, after a month to fail this stupid plastic fitting. It's gonna be amazing. It's stupidly gonna be not amazing. I dressed again also with a fire protection sleeve here. This is the one, and the low radiator hose from the joint here till here. The rest, like I said, is new. Lovely. Alright. Finish. Small update that I receive a couple of pipes. I receive the voltage regulator and mount the alternator. Alright. Anyway, moving on. Let's throw it out, give to the guys the remaining parts, and that's it. Thank you, over and out. I haven't uploaded yet the video, so I can continue here, right? I put the new pilot bearing in place, new bolts being torqued down. I put the metallic seat here behind. This was, one second, let me see the torque specs. It was 60 Newton meters plus 90 degrees for the dual mass flywheel, and for the damper pulley, the main one, is 90 Newton meters plus 90 degrees, this one. And for the outer, it's 20 Newton meters plus 90 degrees for this. It's done. Now the guys, they're gonna bring the transmission from down over there. They're gonna shift the engine a little bit front on the scissors table and merge with transmission. I don't know if it's gonna happen today or tomorrow, but either today or tomorrow we're gonna do it. Now that's the end. Alright. Thank you very much, guys. Thanks a lot. We have to check, you know what will gonna delay us? You're gonna delay us the car. Because to clean it, to prepare it, to check the wiring and all these things, this is gonna fuck us up. From the engine transmission, it's straightforward. Alright, okay. That's it. Now that's the end.